If you want to destroy your bracelet, try hammering that round head through the small hole. If you want to protect your bracelet, you want to hammer that smaller tail through the small hole. We're going to have a look at this now. We've got the bracelet here, and we can see this is a split top on these. It looks like a screwdriver could open them, but not. This is the head. If you try to hammer that down, that round head's going to get stuck inside that bracelet. We want to flip it over. Then you can see the tail. The tails are solid and they're smaller and thinner. So let's go ahead and remove this link right here. And it's not so difficult. We're going to go ahead, give this a gentle, there it goes. Now the link has been opened up. Let's go ahead and take away the tool so you can see exactly what's going on here. What you can do at this point is you can remove as many links as you want to shorten it to the desired length that you want, but I do recommend balancing it. So if you're going to take out 2 links, take out 1 link from each side. It's going to be a better way to do it. Now, once we take out as many links as we want, we're going to reattach the bracelet. Notice all of the inner links are turned in the up position. And then I'm going to bring the bracelet back together. And at this point, I'm going to locate the tail, and that's the part I'm going to insert into the hole. I will not attempt to insert that round thick part inside of the hole. No way, no chance. Here we go. We've got the thinner tail. Let's give it a shot. When we look at the bracelet here from the side, we can see all of those heads. So we're going to take that tail and put it inside here, just like you see here, and ease it in there and get it all the way through. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take this bracelet, flip it over onto its side, and we're going to hammer that down flush. And what else you can do is you can take any type of object if you want, and you can even not really countersink it, but you can make sure it's definitely nice and flush so that it's not sticking up. It's going to look a little bit like this. It's going to make sure it's flush, and it's also going to make sure it's nice and snug in there. All right, now when we take a look at this, we can see it's all sitting flush. This bracelet has been put back together very securely.